Next, we're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida for a bond hearing. 28-year-old Tyra Van Zant is facing a long list of charges, including grand theft and resisting arrest, after she was caught stealing more than $400 in jewelry and purses from a department store.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you doing, sir?
Today, Judge John Hurley will decide if she's eligible for bond. But as Van Zant waits for the hearing to start, she begins pleading her case to a higher court.
Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. In Jesus' name, say, asking a child release me. Please let me be released from this jail, Lord. Thank you, Jesus.
Unfortunately for Van Zant, the ultimate judge is not presiding over this hearing. Instead, it's Judge Hurley, who seems caught off guard by the defendant's prayers.
Please let me be released from this jail, Lord. Thank you, Jesus.
Before Judge Hurley dives into Van Zant's charges, questions about her professional life take center stage.
Are you employed when you're not in jail?
Yes, sir.
What type of work is it? Oh.
I work at Pure Platinum.
Pure Platinum might be considered a place of heavenly bodies, just not in the biblical sense.
I'm not going to ask any further questions along that line. By the way, I don't know anything about where you work. What people say in here, I don't know anything about anything like that.
As Judge Hurley continues to read more details about the severity of Van Zant's crimes, the tone of the hearing begins to sour.
Wow. They had to tase the defendant to bring her down. She wouldn't stop.
A closer look at Van Zant's recent criminal history also reveals this isn't her first time facing very serious charges.
You've been arrested 8 times in a matter of a couple of years. I don't know, it's like every time you go out your front door, you're getting arrested. So she gets arrested, you said in June? She got arrested in June for obstruction for cannabis and cocaine, and now she has to get tasered in and she wants me to let her out and have a second chance. Huh, interesting.
Please, I'm asking you for a second chance, sir.
Well,
please, so I can get my life together.
I wonder what you told the judge after the first, the second, the third arrest, the fourth arrest, the fifth.
Please, I'm in a Christian unit program here, sir, and I've come to found God, and I'm really changing my life, and I just want a chance to be able to go to a rehab, sir.
Right.
Please have mercy on me, Judge.
After a brief pause, Judge Hurley makes his ruling.
Ma'am, I'm going to let you stay in right now. I think that's the safest place for you. Thank you.
Oh, my God.
Tyra Van Zant later pleaded no contest to grand theft in the 3rd degree, resisting arrest without violence, possession of an unlawfully issued driver's license, and criminal use of personal ID information. She was sentenced to 180 days in jail and 3 years probation.
Oh, my God.
Thanks for being a fan of Court Cam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.